Listing.
Listing, my lord.
For listing.
Yes.
Have you served the copy to the other side?
Yes.
My lord, may I permit to mention one matter for inclusion? On earlier occasion, my lord, I have also mentioned the same matter and it has been granted by your lordship, my lord. But till now, the matter is not in the list, my lord. Group 6 matter, my lord.
Affiliate side.
Group 6.
Permit to mention, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this is for hearing, my lord, 2023 matter. 23 matter. The petitioner completed the work order, but till date, no payment has been done by the respondent, my lord.
No payment.
No payment has been done by the respondent, my lord.
Which case?
My lord, petitioners is a law firm representative. He competent.
Hearing case. Hearing stage.
Hearing stage, my lord.
Have you informed the other side?
Inform, my lord.
Lordship, I'm mentioning upon service, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I
Inclusion.
am mentioning 2-3 times, but
Read
Lordship is
matter,
not-
read.
Yes.
Read my the inclusion. It notice আছে.
Yes, original side.
But we were before the
What happened?
Malad, we have been with the registrar, Malad, by instructing.
Malad, may I crave your lordship indulgence, Malad, to mention appellate side matter, my lord?
Yes.
Malad, kindly have a glance through this order, my lord. Malad, this matter may be listed before your lordship, my lord.
Monthly list of November. Thereafter not listed.
No, my lord.
Well, sir.
Malad, I'm sorry, my lord, too. Sorry, bhai.
Yes.
Malad, the registrar, Malad, has looked at the conveyance. Now, Malad, he wants, Malad, a map or a plan. Malad, now the property, Malad, is described in the award itself. Now, there is no, Malad, plan, Malad, no map, Malad, in the nomination agreement itself.
At the time of passing award, there was no map.
The nomination agreement did not have, but Malad, the conveyance which is there, that has the map. So that's, Malad, what should be used. Because title only comes from that map. I don't know, Malad, whether the registrar is here.
No, register is not required.
So there's the property, Malad, is described. It's delineated, Malad, in the award itself.
Without plan, it will be difficult for registration. Plan.
No, Malad, if the schedule is there, Malad, the registrar is now saying you give us a map. I'm asking in terms of the deed. So, Malad, if map. If he wants a map, Malad, he can take it, Malad, from the conveyance deed itself of Malad 2010.
But at the time of you have to show the map.
Malad, not always, Malad, map is necessary.
No,
but it is delineated.
Registration.
Yes, that's
without a map, how the registrar can register
the schedule is there, and Malad, the map is there, Malad, in the conveyance deed itself, by which Malad India Media became the owner. That map is there. That can be used.
This was exhibited in the award.
Yes,
at the time of arbitration.
Yes.
That is sufficient.
Malad, paper book volume 7.
That is sufficient.
Yes.
But further,
Page 102, Malad. Paper book volume 7, page 102.
that is sufficient. Everything is there.
Yes.
The schedule is matching with this map.
Yes.
You have no dispute.
No. It's the same schedule. If he wants, Malad, a plan, Malad, that is also there. 102, Malad, it starts at 130. Volume 7.
You
the same schedule.
finalize and you
Yes.
register. Where is
Yeah,
the
Malad,
problem?
only waiting for Malad him to finalize. Malad, in the report, Malad looks at.
Because my judgment and order on the basis of award.
Yes.
On the basis of document available in the record.
Correct. So he should follow the records.
When there is a map, when there is a nomination agreement, there is a schedule. What is the area? Boundary is also there.
Yes,
Chauhaddi.
yes,
Chauhaddi is mentioned there.
yes. In the award itself, it is mentioned.
So where is the problem?
Well, the problem
Whether
is not they are scheduled.
whether award debtor disputing.
No.
Where is
See,
the problem?
well, the registrar Malad is saying that I want a plan.
That is the plan.
Plan Malad is there Malad in the deed of conveyance.
No, I am asking about the lower court record. Like arbitrator has decided the matter.
Yes,
I affirm the award.
yes,
In the award, there is no map.
no,
But in document, there is a map.
correct.
Nomination agreement is also there.
Yes.
So what further
In
required?
nomination agreement, there's no map. It's delineated. Property is
Maybe.
described.
But in document, whenever you executed,
Yes.
map, including map,
Yes, in the conveyance deed, map is there.
in the record itself, map.
Yes.
So where is the problem?
I don't know Malad. Can you Malad direct Malad the registrar Malad to? Because Malad, he's told us Malad that is SBL if further director submit a copy of the map plan as reflected in the award duly signed by the arbitrator. The arbitrator
Pankaj the bishop. Pankaj.
No, registrar is the judicial body.
Malad, I
Court. I don't understand why you are not able to satisfy him.
don't know Malad why Malad we have not been able to. Because we have said so. We have said Malad I've shown Malad in volume.
What about that reference or their objections?
Malad, all that is taken care of. We have also given the draft conveyance.
Huh?
Now Malad, he's only Malad, these issues are being raised.
So that 13 or 12 or 13 objections
Yes, all taken care of.
that was disposed
Yes.
of. There is no problem.
No.
So you indicate which exhibit this map was there.
Yes, we have indicated that. But he says, Malad, director submit a copy of the map plan as reflected in award duly signed by the arbitrator so that the map plan has been filed by them can be compared.
Let me see the report.
Yes,
first.
kindly Malad have a- whatever.
Area is also mentioned in map.
Yes.
Everything is mentioned.
Yes.
Show me the map.
No, ma'am. Malad, I gave Malad that. Or Malad, we have this is Malad from there, Malad, we have this is what we have submitted to the registrar.
And what was the exhibit in the
Malad, volume, what is it? I'll just give the, Malad, it is at volume 7, page 102 at 130. I'll just give the. Because the nomination agreement, Malad, has the schedule. It says, Malad, map plan, which is Malad not there, which is Malad there in the conveyance. So, exhibit.
What order you have, he has supplied to you, you have refused that order. Copy of order dated
This one.
17/12 attempted to serve,
This order, my lord.
but it was refused to.
17 December. Now we have received that, my lord. We also, again, my
You
lord,
have to cooperate with this
my lord, we
registrar.
have. My lord, we have.
You along with my judgment, you produce entire document to him.
We have done that. My lord, that's the one, my lord, which I gave, my lord, handed up. My lord.
Here it is written that you have only submitted the judgment and order passed by this court. So how he will compare that your map?
No, the award is there.
Award is there, but award is not annexed with the plan. So you all document of the award which was passed.
That's the plan, my lord, which we have given.
I am not asking. I am asking about the exhibits.
Exhibits are diye chukke to puro sale deed. My lord, my instruction that full sale deed has been given. This document, my lord, which I
I
have.
am asking about, suppose you have given a sale deed, draft sale deed.
The 2010 deed, my lord, which I have handed up. My lord,
Deed of which? That was exhibited
Yes.
during the proceeding of award arbitrator, before the arbitrator. Where is that? That paper book you supply to him.
very well.
Where is the problem? He cannot compare the map with.
Yes. My lord,
No,
please
no,
give
no,
the
no, no, no. You,
yes, my lord, we'll do that.
you entire proceedings. If some difficulties there, you have to assist him.
Correct, my lord, I've understood. My lord, I'll tell them to
Suppose
give, my
you
lord, the
give
entire
a one plan, how he will verify?
given him
Because
one of these-
in judgment there is no plan.
No.
Even award, if you go to the award, there is no any copy
Correct.
of the plan.
Correct, I want.
You will
That's
follow the order of this court or order of the arbitrator.
And the records, which my lord are there. Correct. So you give the entire folio and give the exhibit number. We'll
Exhibit
do that, my
number.
lord, today again.
So,
My lord directs us, my lord, to give, my lord, the exhibit by 22.
a report submitted by the
My lord, the ground of review is that your lordships gave us a very patient hearing. My lord, we argued over a long length of time. That is why some of the points which were urged before your lordship, my lord, have escaped your lordship's attention while passing the judgment. So if an argument is advanced, but it has not been dealt with by the learned judge during the paucity of time or whatever, my lord, due to passage of time, then, my lord, my duty is, or the duty of the litigant is, that he has to come before the learned judge for review, that these are the points which were urged, but which have not been dealt with by your lordship.
Point.
Your lordship will kindly have first the application once, please.
No, please tell me what are the points which I have left. Even if I left, even I did not consider your judgment,
No, I'm not on that, my lord.
whether it will be lie review.
My lord, perhaps a review would lie. Perhaps if your lordship wants me to first
Yeah.
place the authority,
Part of the judge.
may I first,
Passing a reason order. Whether review lie.
my lord, I think, subject to correction, or on the short point, this is not asking your lordship to revisit your lordship's decision on the merits. That, my lord, I cannot beseech your lordship to do this way, rightly, wrongly, your lordship has dismissed the 34.
Which point you are raising?
My lord, I am saying that certain points which were advanced,
Please tell me.
kindly have the application once, please, my lord.
Please tell me grounds. What are the grounds for review?
Yes, your lordship will
I
kindly
do
have
not
the
want to open the brief. No. Just tell me.
my lord, the ground for review is only one.
Yes,
That
one.
points, arguments advanced,
Huh?
recorded in the order as submissions which were made, have not been, there are two grounds. Arguments advanced as recorded in the order, but there is no finding on it, number one.
That means rejection.
I am
my
not so,
part.
my lord, I am not so sure that that is what the
It is not
law
a
says.
reason. I have not considered because that is irrelevant.
That is one point. And second point is there were several arguments which were advanced, but which have not found place in the arguments as put forward.
What are those? Please tell me.
I can tell your lordship from the memo of review.
Please give me one example, two examples.
Yes, I'll give your lordship several examples then. Kindly come.
Please give me one example.
Yes. In your lordship's judgment, my lord has recorded in paragraph 29 that 11 points were argued. Your lordship has recorded 11 points were argued. Now, out of the, I have argued perhaps more than 11 points, but even going on the basis that only 11 points were argued, two arguments of mine which have been recorded with have omitted your lordship's attention while delivering the judgment. The first point which your lordship has recorded, the tribunal's failure to consider respondent's subsequent offer and intention to purchase 100% of the equity of the petitioner, proving that the agreement was frustrated and or had ended, rendering the award vitiated by so-and-so sections of the so-and-so sections and subsections of section 34. This, my lord, point has been recorded by your lordship as a point which has been urged by the applicant. This point, my lord, has not been dealt with. Yes.
Another point.
My lord, the second point is the tribunal had become functus officio on 31st August 2020, and thus the writing and publishing of the award on 27th October 2020 is not an award and it ought to be set aside. Your lordship's judgment is fresh in your lordship's mind. The law requires me to come before the learned judge who has pronounced the judgment with whatever grievance I have, apropos points which have been urged but not considered.
What are those?
There are 70 grounds for review.
70.
No, I'm sorry, 60?
60.
69. No. What's 70? 1 second. Kindly give me a minute, my lord.
Sir, please tell me the issue. I think 100 issue will be framed then.
66.
How many issues
66.
framed by the award arbitrator?
My lord, I am not, kindly do not take me amiss, my lord. I am drawing your lordship's attention to the judgment which has been delivered. I am also beseeching your lordship to consider your lordship's judgment.
I will definitely consider because I have to dispose of this review application.
Please, my lord.
Hmm.
So kindly take the review application, my lord, and let me first satisfy your lordship that this is perhaps the proper course if my contention is that certain arguments were advanced but have inadvertently not been considered by the honorable judge while making the judgment. This is the short point. I am, my lord,
I am opposing. I don't, my lord, with great respect, my lord, I don't think, my lord, any grounds have been made out, my lord, for the purpose of review. My lord, I'll show all those points. If my lord can take it, my lord, without affidavits, or my lord, we can file affidavits and come back, whatever my lord is coming. Whatever is coming.
my lord, may I have an application for stay. Your lordship will consider the,
Not grant.
your lordship will consider the application, my lord, once.
If you succeed, then you will revert back the property.
No question, my lord.
Where is the
It
problem?
was hard, my lord, was several days, my lord, has given us.
Orders very permitted that I was not heard.
When execution case has been disposed of, this point cannot be raised at this stage. Number
Please.
one. Number two, your review scope is very, very limited.
Right.
Very,
Very
very limited.
My lord, that is the only scope which I'm urging.
Thousand of grounds.
Yes,
Hmm.
grateful.
We must consider the issue involved in the case.
Yes, my lord.
We cannot go beyond the issue.
No, my lord.
Very limited issue is
So,
here.
my lord, I have only
Even
raised
if-
two issues.
Even if
Kindly bear in mind, my lord, I have only raised two issues.
arbitrator framed 14, so far as I remember, 14,
Yes,
14
Yes,
issues
12,
were
correct.
decided by the arbitrator.
yes,
And I confirm the award
yes.
passed by the arbitrator. I have dealt, so far as I remember, I have dealt each and every issues.
Yes,
Beyond issues, if we deal, then we will never end it.
beyond the scope of one of the.
Ah,
I
I think 100, more than 100 judgment referred. 75 judgment was passed by the relied by the arbitrator himself.
Yes,
Apart from that, more than 100 judgments were relied by from your side, I think. Near about 100. 150 or 120 like that judgment were relied. Now, I have to concern only about the issue which is involved. If you refer 100 judgment, can I just deal with entire judgment?
So, my lord, I have now not, my lord, I never submitted before your lordship that your lordship has not
So
considered.
60 grounds you have made in review.
Your lordship will discard 59, but even if I succeed on one, that's the end of the matter. Your lordship will discard 59.
To solve the copy.
I've served. I'm moving
I've
upon
served.
service. Yes,
Received.
yes, we'll
I'm
file
moving
my lord,
upon service.
File.
reply affidavit, my lord, to this, affidavit, opposition, my lord, to this.
Directions for filing affidavit. Otherwise, it's just a memo of review. Memo of review, there's no scope of filing a affidavit.
Grateful.
Oral submission.
But there's no condonation of delay also, the maintainability of the application also will be.
That you raise
we'll
objection,
raise.
they will not file
Yes,
their problem.
grateful.
Grateful, Lord.
Position, you can raise this.
Yes,
In
yes, we can
opposition,
raise
you
it, my lord.
Raise any point.
Grateful, my lord.
Item number 4. Oh, sorry, actually, I
We are
did not
appealing for
see
the plaintiff, my lordship.
Item number 4, yes.
Yes, your lordship.
My lord, in connection with this, my lord, may I hand over this? Kindly remember, this is
Yes, I
that.
have remembered.
Mar-
this. Give
Yes,
me
I have
the-
sworn an affidavit. The applicant number 2, I am for the applicant 2. They have sworn an affidavit that he has no objection with regard to the money that may be returned by to the my lord, person.
Last occasion, you have said that similar order has been
My lord,
passed
may-
by
I-
other
I
judges.
have obtained that order.
Yes.
এটা my lord, I have obtained the order. Likewise, Minister for modification of this order, citing certain difficulties with regard to the remittance of the amount to the principal, the application how now if I disclosing difficulties, now sir, in terms of such and such, TB Randesmani would transfer the AMT to the applicant in compliance with the my lord.
Where is the other side?
Your lordship, I am appealing for the other side, the plaintiff.
Yes. Do you have any objection?
No, no, your lordship. I have no objection. The resolution.
Your messers,
JCVN, defend number 2, my lord.
defendant number 2.
2, my lord, before your lordship. And I purchased the my lord security deposit through my agent, that is mercantile shipping agent. Your lordship can find in the affidavit page 8. Affidavit just now I have handed over.
Mhm.
Page 8 of page 8 there, my lord. That is the demand draft in name of the Honorable High Court, my lord.
Who has affidavit, make an affidavit?
This affidavit has been affirmed by the my lord, owner of the director of the defend number 2,
Defendant number 2.
my lord. Director of the defend number 2.
And what about the defendant number 1?
That is a ornamental party, ornamental party,
That is
ornamental.
out- number
8. The demand photocopy of demand draft. The folded page, my lord.
Marine link. Shipping agency.
Shipping agent, agent of the defend number 2. I am the defend number 2. I am repeating the defend number 2. And this is the agent of the defend number 2.
Okay.
Register said unless the my lord it is clarified by your lordship
Uh,
to whom it is. Your lordship was pleased to direct the payment to be made to the party,
Respondent.
to the respondent. And the register says unless it is specifically clarified to whom is to pay.
You do not have any objection.
No, your lordship.
You are the wakalatnama. Do you
Yes, your
have
lordship,
wakalat?
they have sent an authorization letter. Actually, I'm representing Mr. Partho Bhattacharya.
No, you are the plaintiff.
Yes, your lordship.
You are the plaintiff.
Yes, your lordship.
What is your name? Good name?
Shankojit Lal Mitra.
Naam to nahi.
Yes, your lordship, I have given it.
Affidavit.
My lord, before your lordship takes up, my lord, there was one matter. If your lordship recollects, my lord, there has been a stay though, my lord, where we had argued with respect to the railway shred circular, my lord. The hearing was
That
going
is
on.
fixed in another day, I think.
My lord, today it was fixed. Supposedly, my lord, it was supposed to be taken at 2:30. My lord, it is not indicated in the list though.
ডাকো ডাকো এক নম্বরটা ডাকো
I had fixed.
Your lordship had said Mr. Basu had on the last occasion been before your lordship. My lord, your lordship extended the interim order till 9th of January and had kept it today because there was an original side matter. Initially kept it at 2, thereafter, my lord, at 2:30 it fell from your lordship, but not indicated anywhere. My lord, if it is otherwise possible, my lord, to take up the matter today, or else, my lord,
Both sides are present.
my lord, Mr. Basu and Mr.
Let,
Kundulia.
let us see whether I can today 3:30.
My lord,
Next
in
day I will take up.
the event it is not taken up today, my lord, then in that event, if your lordship kindly fixes a time and date, my lord, it would be convenient for
New
everyone.
Year I will
I
fix.
shall, before your lordship rises,
New
my lord,
Year I will fix.
my lord, in that event, before your lordship rises, I shall mention it again.
Ah,
My lord, I'm
সেটাই
taking
better.
the leave now. Today, since it's 3:30, if
No,
by
I will
that
not fix today.
No,
I
no.
will fix on 9th.
on 9th,
9th, I think interim order till 9th.
yes,
Prior to that, you mention, I will fix.
prior to that, my lord,
একের ফাইলটা দেওয়া হয়েছে
On 7th, you can mention.
একের ফাইলটা দাও
Yes, call the list.
But in this matter, my lord, as I have indicated to your lordship, my lord, to the best of my memory, that the accused person have been discharged. If my lord gives me the yellow file, I will find it out for your lordship.
The last lord to ask me to bring the case diary. Case diary is
দাঁড়ান একটু দাঁড়ান একটু দাঁড়ান
How many accused are here? Two. Both are discharged.
with regard to discharge, I don't have any instruction.
এটা দাও
No, কি হয়েছে?
ফিরে দেন আমি দেখে নিয়েছি ফাইলটা আগে আমি তোদের মতন ইলেভেন্থ আবার আসি নাকি এটা মানে লক্ষ্য
If they have been discharged, then why quashing has been filed, I do not know.
আগে ফাইল করে
হ্যাঁ।
আগে ফাইল করে
স্টে ছিল না তো ওখানে হিয়ারিং হবে।
This is something which I have pointed out to your lordships, that I don't have the certified copy or nor we are getting the certified copy, so my
Prasanjit Basu and Virendra Roy. Two accused. Victim nature. Yes.
I haven't seen that, দু মাসে ডিসচার্জ হয়ে গেল
Judgment part, order part.
not guilty.
But here petitioner is Priyojit Das, Priyojit Basu.
But they have filed this quashing application in the month of September. Just few days thereafter, this order dated 9/10.
Discharge, not and one or two evidence taken, thereafter did not find anything, court discharge.
That is the order,
anyway, my lord, my revisional application has lost its force. Rightly or wrongly, the magistrate has discharged me after taking evidence.
This is not maintainable.
My lord will kindly record that since the accused person has already been discharged from the case, this revisional application has become infructuous.
মেরেছি সেই বলে যার মধ্যে ছিল
this point to your lordship might
Actually,
have
there
remembered.
was no
Yes, yes,
certified
yes,
copy, nothing.
Yes, yes,
Record
yes.
was not found. Now record found.
At your lordship's strong intervention and repeated orders, my lord, it came.
Whether your lordship take up the old matter.
Old matter, yes. I will take. Half an hour before. 3:30.
My lord, in this matter,
Yes, in this
petitioner
matter,
got
we
to
have,
have- yes, my lord, I finally replied it in also.
We have received.
My lord, I have not just now understood. But I just wanted
Want to
I
say
just wanted to
something?
point out one thing only, my lord. Thing is that, my lord, there was an order. Kindly goes through this judgment.
Trial court order.
No, my lord. Just a minute, my lord. My lord, this order. এটা একটু দেন না
This is judgment of.
My lord, it is a judgment of the Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court. আমি দিচ্ছি তোকে এক্ষুনি copy. My lord, if your lordship comes
You
to
are here opposite party number 2.
yes, my lord. No. We are 1 and 2.
The opposite party. one and two.
Opposite party. Now, my lord, what happened in this matter? This order was challenged in the Supreme Court, and perhaps my learned friend referred to that Vijay Madan Lal's judgment. No, my lord, there's a reference to 3 judges bench. That matter is still pending. Whether the my lord, this is the I have collected all these certified copies, my lord. Impugned order, my lord.
Same issue,
my lord.
Same issue.
My lord, they are the predicate offense.
My lord, the
So far as
Karnataka High Court said
was
So
not
far as
there,
I
my
remember-
lord. It was
Karnataka High Court
not
had
been
stated
completed.
that till my lord, paragraph 17, if your lordship comes,
Which one? Subsequent you have given this one.
no, my lord, the first
My
one.
lord, the copies may be given to us
আমি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি দুটোই কপি ছিল, I'm sorry.
because we need to reply on that.
Mhm.
Just a
Which
reply to the
paragraph?
reply, my lord, this has been given.
Which paragraph?
17.
Yes, 17.
Of conviction, there could not be any final order of attachment. Now, my lord, once an FIR or a report is filed to the predicate offense, an ECR can be registered and a provisional attachment order can be passed by the enforcement department. However, without conviction, judicial conclusion of the trial proceedings, any order confirming the attachment and conviction could not be passed. Now, my lord, this order has been challenged in the Supreme Court and it has been referred to a larger bench. So, my lord, same till this issue is decided.
In this case, you have been discharged, I think.
I have been discharged. My lord, I just
accused persons were
got
discharged
discharged.
by trial.
And your the ED challenged that order, and your lordships was pleasure was to stay the said order of discharge, because there was also a direction to return the money which has not been paid. My submission was that till this Supreme Court finally decides.
The observation was that there is no predicate offense
My lord,
mentioned in the
467 with regard.
this judgment
the
does not.
schedule.
No, my lord, what happened, my lord?
This judgment does not relate to that. This judgment, what is being held, that it wasn't a predicate offense included at that
No,
point
my
of
lord,
time.
my submission was in
This
the
has no relevance.
trial court 467. Though the charge sheet was submitted, there was an observation that though the 467 is there, but the ingredients were not made out.
My lord,
Without 467, it
charge
could not
sheet
have
is
been.
there. It is not set aside or quashed in respect of 467, my lord.
Okay,
It is
your
it's
two
a separate
points are
offense.
there.
My lord, I have pointed out that in my written notes.
You
My lord,
pointed out.
I have pointed out and
Two submission you are made just now. One is Supreme Court Madan Lal case referred to the higher bench, that is pending.
not Madan
Not
Lal's
with
case.
Madan
Not
Lal,
Madan
that's
Lal's
a
case, my lord.
forum, my lord. That's a different case.
No. One judgment was passed by Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court, where that which I read those two paragraphs, that has been challenged in the Supreme Court and the matter has been referred to a larger bench.
Okay.
That is along with the other several other matters have been referred.
Pending.
That is pending. My submission was still that is finally decided. This matter should not be.
That is your submission.
Supreme Court
বিকজ ওখানেই তো দেওয়া আছে না ওবলাপুরামের ওবলাপুরামে the judgment has been
huh.
recording the impugn.
But this judgment of Justice Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court is the subject matter where several other matters have been tagged with.
So can you give me the reference of the larger bench?
Supreme Court
Yes, my lord. I have
Second one.
Yes, yes, my lord. No, the copy of orders which yes, my lord.
it has been mentioned in the written notes.
Yes, we have mentioned that in the written note
One
also.
or two paragraph has been
Okay, I will see.
My lord, I am so grateful, my lord.
The reply written notes reply to the written notes.
Lot 3, I am for the petitioner.
Your name has not been recorded.
No, my lord. In paragraph number 3, my lord, I have indicated it here. Instead of writing the petition as
Paragraph number 3.
advocate. I have indicated it here, your lordship.
It will be added.
Yes. And the other corrections as per the previous
petition achieved.
is appearing at my instance, my lord. My lord,
To be mentioned, why it is to be
that
mentioned?
this application, writ petition is now infractuous, my lord. My lord,
Infructuous.
infractuous. That is why I mentioned the matter, my lord. My lord,
You are for the petitioner.
no, my lord, addition of party, my lord. I filed the addition of party application, my lord. Kindly come to page 21, my
Why
lord.
to the petitioner?
I served notice, my lord, to the petitioner as well as the learned advocate appearing for this.
Come
case.
on next day. On Wednesday.
I served notice, my lord.
You serve,
I already served. both.
how you have served advocate?
Yes, my lord.
You serve to the parties directly.
Learned advocate of the writ petitioner as well as the learned advocate of this state appearing for the state.
That's it. You file affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir.
My lord, item number 5, I am for the petitioners, my lord, led by Mr. Majumdar in this matter. My lord, this is a 490 case. 490 case, your lordship, where last occasion your lordship was made aware that
The
charge sheet will be submitted, my lord. We are placing the charge sheet by way of a supplementary affidavit as on the last occasion directed by your lordship's order, your lordship.
Lordship, the charge sheet
This is
has
the
been
charge sheet.
filed by the
They are
investigation officer.
challenging. Now we can hear it. Where is the problem?
Absolutely, my lord.
Supreme Court judgment. Even after filing charge sheet, that they can be challenged.
Great for it.
The lordship intends to hear them on merits.
Lord, I am for the de facto complainant, Lord.
Six.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Why it is?
My lord, we have never mentioned, my lord.
My lord, this matter has become infructuous.
My lord,
Because,
how
my
can
lord,
they say,
FRT
my lord?
has been submitted.
My lord, I am in 6.
You are.
Mr. Idulji is in 7.
Who is for
We
the
are for the
petitioner?
petitioners, my lord. In 6, I am the petitioner. In 7, Mr. Idulji is the petitioner. Same proceeding, two different petitions. Now, my lord, these matters may be taken up other side of the vacation. We have not
My
started
lord,
with.
FRT has been submitted. What more remains? My lord, I have filed a Naraji petition.
Withdraw your Naraji.
My lord, is the parent petition there? Is the parent proceeding there? Answer is no.
They have filed a CRAN. We will give a counter to
My lord,
that.
I have filed a complaint. He has filed a.
So, my lord, their Naraji, they have filed protest petition
So,
before the London magistrate.
Thereafter you come.
yes.
Multiplicity of proceedings. My lord,
So
again,
this one will keep pending till the Naraji is decided. That can never be the situation.
So your FRT file, whenever FRT file, your application became infructuous.
Not exact.
Unless that Narazgi petition allowed.
Kindly appreciate. Your lordship will not take me amiss. बोले दी था एक बार? My lord, if Naraji is if closure report is accepted, then only it will be infructuous, my lord. As on date, the status is there's a closure report filed but not accepted.
Notice was issued.
Your lordship is right.
This was
So, my lord,
issued.
may I
Narazgi petition filed.
exactly. So it's not rejected. If
You
it is
agitated before the trial court.
Well,
What is the
that we are
problem?
we don't have a right to agitate because the
cannot
accused,
be a party.
accused has no right to agitate before the trial court. He can, in the revision, he can agitate, but he cannot agitate before the trial court. My lord, we would like to file up.
Right. You're right.
We want to file an opposition to this.
They are CRAN one.
My lord, CRAN one, we want to file an opposition.
My lord, where is the situation for them to file an opposition?
I will be appearing in both 6 and
Mute
7.
করে দাও, mute করে দাও।
We are being led by the public prosecutor here. But the difficulty is that we have to address your lordship on the basis of the case diary, where the investigation is declared as civil in nature. How are we going to argue this matter?
You don't need not argue. Nobody is arguing.
Today there is no need of argument.
You are
Acceptance of.
May I say this? But post filing
You
of
may
the
say
quashing
nothing.
application, if this matter has ended up in civil in nature or a final report has been submitted, but what remains with the matter?
That requires judicial acceptance.
Actually, you have filed, investigation officer filed, but that was accepted.
No,
Yes.
no, that is
Number
the,
one.
my lord is right, that is the point.
Number one. Number two, trial court will give opportunity to the
কেন
defendant
আমার পেটে লাথ মারছে?
for raising their voice. And Narazi petition they have filed. That is still pending. This matter may be pending. Kept pending.
Milord,
There is
please-
no problem.
Yes.
Milord, may I
We are
show
not
your
hearing. Now, if Narazgi petition dismissed or rejected, it will
Then
automatically.
my application,
Come post, if they do not get an order against the Naraji petition, they get
What order?
Proceeding. Why?
Naraj is not by us.
participatory again,
Why accused will come again and again?
yes, correct.
Milord, may I just have 2 minutes, Milord? I want to cite
Your
one
voice
judgment.
is not audible.
Oh, not audible? I am
yes.
sorry, Milord. I hope I am audible now. Milord, I want to cite one judgment. Milord,
yes.
kindly, Milord, my junior will hand it up to your lordship.
Find a judgment.
Right. We will file our
Milord,
opposition.
there's no question of filing of opposition. May I just show your lordship that really the proceeding comes to an end, Milord? Kindly have a look at
How you can
20
say that the proceeding come to an end?
The
Milord,
law is well settled
as
on
of
the
the
point.
present, Milord, FRT,
What is the proceeding? Please tell me first.
Milord, here, Milord, what has happened is, Milord, FRT has been,
What is
Milord,
the proceeding?
Milord, I filed a complaint. Milord, I filed a complaint. Now it's been held to be civil in nature. Now I have thereafter, Milord, filed, Milord, that the FRT has been, Milord, filed. Now I have filed a Naraji petition. Milord, until
Naraji
that,
petition means you are not satisfied with
not
the
satisfied. I want
with
further
the report.
investigation. I want
So-
further investigation.
So you have still
Exactly what I was arguing.
that application is still pending. That is not adjudicated.
That application is pending. That's not, I agree with that. But in the meantime, Milord, there is a one-line order saying that no coercive steps should be taken in the present matter. Milord, that is unnecessary.
Yes,
Today, Milord,
they are but after. My lord understands this now.
so
They are
now,
on pound of
what
flesh.
will happen?
Okay.
And we would like to file a
You
opposition.
should to grant one that.
No, who?
Grant two.
What is grant?
With the leave of Mr. Chaudhary, my lord, may I show one page, my lord, one order.
What order?
My lord, see is page 78 of my grant. Page 78, there's an order which I have annexed.
Hey, तुम्हें leave then नहीं.
Grant 2.
Yes, yes.
देखिए grant two देखिए.
What is grant 2?
Grant 2, my lord, we had filed this application, my lord, that.
You are for?
My lord, we are for the
Defecto-
applicant's de facto, my lord.
अरे अमन लो.
Kindly sees, my lord, page 78.
Leading
Yes,
by.
yes, we are together. We are together.
Page
Page 78.
78. ना था ये.
Kindly sees the order, my lord.
কোথায়?
Yes, yes, which petition?
Yes, my lord, the date
अच्छा मैं ओके
hearing of the Naraji.
अरे
The middle of the page, my lord, another set of lawyers representing one Rajiv
all the
Maliwala
more
have prayed an adjournment till the decision of CRR 4286 of 25 with CRAN 1. My lord, in the Naraji petition, while it was going on, they are saying that since
No,
the
no,
CRR
I am
is
directing that the trial court can proceed.
Yes, yes, kindly, Milord, direct that.
This application
Grateful.
will not preclude the trial court to proceed.
No, no, that is
Grateful, Milord. We are
But
grateful.
trial court is proceeding.
May I say one more thing, my lord?
ये नहीं.
Now your lordship was to adjudicate over this issue, my lord.
Where I am adjudicated, I am only keeping pending.
The main matter is concerned, my lord, it has become absolutely infructuous because FRP has been filed with the
Why you have filed the Narazgi petition?
My lord, I
You
have
withdraw, I will automatically, I will dispose. You withdraw Narazgi petition.
Yes, yes.
Obliged, my lord. Right, your lordship is right.
Once you are challenging the FRT and another way you are saying.
Your lordship is right, but I tell you, lordship.
Should kindly appreciate one thing. My learned friends had challenged one FIR.
ওই orderটা একটা iPad টা
The investigation culminated in a FRT as civil in nature. The investigation is over. If the High Court was to adjudicate over this CRR, my lord, what is there to quash? I asked this question.
Where I am deciding.
Not adjudicating upon kindly appreciates, my lord. With the
I am not deciding this.
Yes.
If I decide, your Naraji petition will be gone.
My lord, I just give one.
And you will not get one forum. That opportunity should be given to you.
Exactly, my lord.
And law provides.
The law provides, my lord, if the Naraji is allowed, they also have a right to file a fresh CRR.
Why
matters are
court will ask a person to file several applications?
Kindly appreciate, my lord, your lordship has heard. If there is a FIR and subsequent charge sheet in same FIR quashing, my lord, we can continue.
On 16 you come.
Very well.
If necessary, I will direct you.
Most obliged.
Very well.
Otherwise, it will
Very well. Very well, madam.
because civil in nature case cannot be continued.
Interim order.
My lord, only in that case, my lord, interim order which was passed by this honorable court and extended, let that be extended till 16. I am protect.
And the interim order passed earlier by this court, extended time to time, same be extended till 23rd
Most
January.
23rd January.
Still existence order?
Yes, my lord. Still 9, because you are also fixed on 16.
23rd.
23rd.
Or until further order.
And my lord, extended, not time to time, extended once.
It was extended time to time, the same.
My lord, granted and once extended. So not time to time extended.
What I have dictated. Firstly,
I'm sorry.
the same was
You're not right.
Interim order. The interim order should not at least stay, my lord. In one of them, the interim order has gone.
I have passed already. If you have difficulties,
Most of it.
this is item 6. 6 and 7 both.
Both, same.
There is interim order in one of them.
Interim order নেই?
আরে 7 এ interim order আছে।
No, no, expire করে গেছে.
Please give me the
Have
record.
instructions.
Have you filed a grant?
দরকার নেই। How long is the interim order?
Okay. Yes, 7 in 7 there is no interim order.
Yes.
No, but no.
They did not file it.
There
on
is no
purpose.
interim order.
না, interim order প্রথম অর্ডারটা দেখি প্রথম অর্ডারটা দেখি
Last order বের করো না তোমরা।
Yes, there is no interim order.
ছিল
My lord will kindly see. During the vacation, we were granted interim order which was extended.
An application.
They'll file an
It has not been
application.
extended.
It has not been extended.
you are in the process of filing. Since they have mentioned the matter, you could not file.
Extended till later will appear on 16th.
The same order.
Interim order extended till 23rd January or until further order, whichever is ordered.
Most obliged.
And 7 there will be no.
Very well. I am grateful.
কপি দেয়নি এখনো
This is the last matter of the, thereafter I will take up the
Extension
orders.
of interim order, my lord, kindly extends the interim order and keeps it after vacation any day convenient to your lordship.
2nd January, there is interim order.
But the 2nd January, my lord, we have filed the extent.
No, I will be extend on that day.
My lord, only one thing, my lord. My lord, 2nd January, my lord, is very dicey because of the retirement of.
Maybe you have filed an application.
Extend ওটা continue.
Extended, my lord, since the ensuing
Unnecessary order passing.
মানে already application extended application filed.
There before your lordship. Well, this item.
This item.
Your interim order it is January 2nd.
January 2nd January has some dicey. I don't.
What can I do? Dice.
My lord, let it be extended till 9th, my lord. Let it come back on 9th.
Old matter. 9.
Item number 9.
Next matter.
Item number 9.
Why you are shouting?
No, my voice crack, my lord. I'm sorry. I'm suffering from.
I will call one by one.
Item number 9 is the one of the
Personal
personal appearance is there.
May I say this, my lord? Lord, my lord's last order
Please give me
records.
the 9. Item number 9. 9 and 10.
Item number
9, my lord, I.
Rule issued, no? In this
Rule issued, your lordship directed to file the requisites. I have filed. Again, I went to the department. They have put the number of new WPCRC. That's why it was not given, my lord. Thereafter, it was very next day. It was corrected and given into the file.
Lord, I appear for the alleged contemner. May I say this, my lord? Well, see, my lord's last order dated 10th of December 2025, which records, my lord, which records the rule was not properly served. My lord, deepest of humility, my lord, I say, my lord, I think, my lord, this time also the rule is not properly served. It is very unlikely that if the rule being served, the contemner will not run around us. Lord, we have been engaged. May I say this? I will kindly post this matter 4 weeks after vacation. I'll file come with a compliance report.
No, where is he?
My lord, we do not know because we have been engaged. Today we have been engaged. Now the difficulty is, my lord, if the rule is at all served or not, that we do not know, my lord.
You do not know.
My lord, the file can say
My lord's file of
My lord,
course can say.
whether it has been served or not.
Could not be solved.
Right.
My lord, it has not been served.
Very unlikely that
My lord, I have deposited as per your lordship's direction. I have completed my part.
As per report, office report, it appears the rule. আবার রেখে দেবেন না, এই তো 3 বার হয়ে গেল।
Much obliged.
Time contemptual.
my lord 31, my lord.
What is your prayer?
My lord, prayer was today is the date, last date. My lord, these
Last date for?
my lord, extension, my lord. Your lordship kindly extend the interim order. Your lordship has been, he is for the opposite party. Your lordship remembers I have started my argument. That is with respect of 130 of the NI Act, where we lost both the courts.
ওইটা কত নম্বর?
You'll-
He fixes a date and.
Any date.
Item number
31.
31.
My lord will pardon me for my voice, my lord.
31 reported.
Excellent.
Interim order today expiring.
Yes,
Sure.
90. Yes, I have checked, my lord. Your lordship knows me years together. I will not say something which is incorrect.
Yes,
expiring today itself, your lordship. We have
25 and
25 and 26, your lordship.
who is the opposite party?
I'm the opposite party for ROC. Probably Mr. Ganguly was addressing your
Same order hobe.
It's
16 and 23rd. Same order till 23rd. 25 and 26.
25 and 26. Extended till? Extended till
Both are hearing together.
both are hearing together similar
25.
matters.
Similar.
Similar matters.
The naam gulo niye nein. Please give appearance.
16 January.
Please give appearance.
Item number 37, my lord. It's expiring today, filed within time, my lord.
37.
Yes, my lord.
अच्छा,
Lordship, I'm
25
for the
and
opposite
26
party.
है, cran 22. This does-
Lordship, Lordship will make.
Lordship will extend it till the, my lord, January and fix any date.
Yes, you have received copy.
Yes, they have received.
We also received copy.
I do not.
Madam, you have received the copy. PP also received the copy. What more require? I am extending the interim order. Affidavit of service filed by
Lordship, the intimation with respect to
item number
anything of this
37.
matter was
will appear on 16th January and interim order till 23rd.
Grateful, my lord.
kindly fixes a date for your
16 করেছে, 16 করেছে। Grateful, dear lordship, my lord.
Old matter, yes. What can we do now?
Beg to appear for the respondent number
30 always. Friday.
beg to appear for the private respondent number 2. Respondent number, private respondent.
102. My lord.
102.
Yes, what is the matter about?
Regarding washing of.
FIR.
Yes, Your Lordship.
FIR.
Yes.
Well, this is the affidavit of service and supplementary affidavit, my lord. Pursuant to your lordship's leave granted on the last occasion.
Charge sheet has been submitted.
Charge sheet has been submitted. So my lord's desire was to bring the charge sheet also on record. Now that the charge sheet is there on record,
My lord,
so it will have a
very much required to bring to the notice before this lordship, your lordship, that there was a title suit, and in that matter, expertise was already.
I will hear this matter.
my lord, I am glad that my learned senior friend, my learned friend is appraising your lordship that in a 424/6 matter, he has already availed of the alternative remedy.
Hearing-
So I see to his
The PP is not
contention.
there. I think
Lord, I am for the petition. Lord, in this case, my lord, order of conviction was challenged before the learned sessions judge. Learned sessions judge modified the order, and thereafter, I have come before your lordship in revision, challenging that order.
120, 138.
138 NI Act.
NI Act.
Yes.
What ground you have come here?
My lord, I have kindly see the last order. I have already complied. My lord, Honorable Justice R.K. Bhatt passed the order. Last portion, kindly see.
Now you come to the order passed by the appellate court.
Yes. My lord, there is no existence of legally enforceable date.
Why?
No mentioning of legally enforceable date in the complaint. That is the first ground. Secondly, my lord, check was placed for security purpose. Check was issued by the appellant to the opposite party as a security.
Is there any agreement?
Yes, in 313 that is there.
313. You will deny definitely. You have issued the check.
And my lord, nowhere complainant opposite party nowhere has stated that there exists any legally enforceable date or any liability. And from the evidence also, if the evidence from the plain reading of the evidence.
Challenge.
Yes, my lord.
No enforceable date was there.
No.
So why you have issued the check?
As a security, and that has been explained.
What purpose you have issued the check?
The person to whom it was issued, he was, my lord, the attorney of of another person. Kindly come to the 330.
That is your defense case, but where is your?
And I have complied with the direction of this honorable court. I have, my lord, deposited rupees 3 lakhs.
That is for admission.
Yes.
For your case. You have
No, it was the interim direction.
The other side.
There was no direction for to serve notice to the other side. I'm praying for direction to serve notice on the opposite party so that he may come and, my lord, your lordship knows.
Their administrative notice was issued, but petitioner, despite service, non-appears. So only these two grounds.
No, other grounds are also there.
What are other grounds? There was no liability, number one. Number two, you have issued check only for security purpose.
Yes.
And third one?
And, my lord. The point is that, my lord, the person to whom the complainant check was issued, he failed to place any agreement or anything. My lord, no requirement is there, but for, my lord, for corroboration of the allegation, that is required.
Any other point you have?
My lord, these are all. Let
hearing concluded, as a non-appears on behalf of the.
These points are not accepted by your lordship. Your lordship
If you want to file, you file it.
No, the proposition of law made in case of Damodar S. Prabhu in 2010. There is scope of compounding. For that purpose, my lord, presence of the opposite party is required.
Opposite party is not preferred to come before this court. What court will do?
No, kindly direct us. Without your lordship's direction, we cannot serve notice. Kindly direct us, we shall serve notice.
No.
Then, my lord, if he comes, my lord, let us see what happens. But because these are all, my lord, negotiable.
This is pending since 2015, and now you await.
But for ends of justice, my lordship will kindly consider.
No end of justice.
Well, no direction for, if no direction for serving notice is on the opposite party is, my lord, may be prejudiced. Because if this.
Okay, I will take care of that. You will sleep and court will die.
Item 104 petitioner.
Administrative notice was served. If nobody will appear, what court will do? Yes, item number
104, my lord, for the petitioner, my lord, I'm led by Mr. Amartya Ghosh, my lord. I'm led by Mr. Amartya Ghosh, my lord.
yes.
My lord, if my lord, can we makes it not today? My lord, on the last occasion.
The old matter.
Yes, my lord.
This is a old matter. What is the
But only
matter
these
of-
days accommodation, my lord. I'm seeking for these days accommodation. Mr. Ghosh is leading me, my lord.
Not today.
For you.
So, 105, I am got the petition.
But this will.
Is absent on the other side.
Last request, nobody appeared for the complainant. My lord was.
But I am for the state.
Notice.
You have served the copy.
Look, they are appearing. Last request, the learned advocate did not appear. That is why I was. I have served. This is the notice, my lord. Served upon the complainant.
I think opposite party never appeared.
Once or twice he appeared, an advocate appeared. I served him
Only for the petitioner state, petitioner. Opposite party number 2, Bhaskar Prasad Banerjee and Prasar Badhya.
Yes, I have served the notice.
Oh, Prasar Badhya.
Yes. This is 420, 406. I have come up.
I am keeping not today, next.
Then kindly fix it after vacation.
Yes, after vacation.
After vacation, madam.
Automatically. Not today.
After, kindly make it after vacation, madam.
Automatically it will be after vacation. Wednesday I will take up only on.
My lord, item 106 is maybe after vacation. 106.
All matter will be after vacation. Mostly criminal remissionals.
Order first.
What was one?